Want unbelievably crisp visuals on your TV, but unsure if YouTube TV 4K is the answer? Let's dive into if it's truly worth the upgrade. First, to get 4000 on YouTube TV you'll need the 4K Plus Addon. Navigate to your profile icon, then Settings, and see if 4K Plus is listed. Note this does cost extra each month. The biggest benefit, sharper images. Notice how the 4K feed has way more detail. Player jerseys, individual blades of grass ... It all pops so much more. But before you click buy, confirm your streaming device is 4K compatible. Many older devices won't support the higher resolution, so you'll be stuck with regular HD. Availability can be spotty. Not all channels offer 4000 content, mostly live sports and some on-demand shows, so check YouTube TV's website for current 4K events before paying extra. 4K streaming requires a robust internet connection. You'll need at least 25 megabits per second download speed to avoid buffering and ensure a smooth viewing experience, so run a speed test. So, is YouTube TV 4K worth it? If you have the right equipment, a fast internet connection, and enjoy sports and nature content, it might be the perfect upgrade for you.